Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering essentials: the Purah Pad, 3 ancient gears, 1 bright bloom seed, and 50 rupees. Once done, open the Sheikah menu and go straight to the Purah Pad upgrade option. This triggers the recipe check. Make sure to stand near a save point so unexpected exits won't cost progress. You do this because the upgrade consumes materials instantly, and being near a save prevents repeat grinding. Keep your inventory clear so components don't stack or block pickup. Now execute the upgrade. Select the Purah Pad and choose Upgrade, then confirm the material list you gathered. As you confirm, watch the progress bar and animation. This indicates successful crafting and firmware patching. You should follow any on-screen prompts. Some upgrades require a short minitask like aligning circuits or pressing a time sequence. Complete it calmly to avoid failure. If the minitask fails, you'll usually keep materials but must retry. So focus on timing and pattern recognition. Finish by verifying the Purah Pad's new features. Test scanning range and map sync speed to confirm success. Once upgraded, save immediately to lock in changes and prevent rollback. If something goes wrong, errors, frozen animation, or missing features, reload your last save, confirm you still have required materials, and retry the upgrade sequence. Many issues stem from a failed minitask or an interrupted save. If repeated failures occur, clear cache or restart the game to remove transient glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.